Hello everyone, Peter here. Guys, we've got a Panasonic here, okay? This Panasonic is either showing 13 red blinks of the LED, okay? So it's blinking 13 times, stopping, and again 13 times, and again stopping. Or it's displaying Panasonic logo and freezing on it, and that's it. So I would say the processor communication is not working, but it's my opinion, and actually I went and I Googled and I found the same issue. So I would have to replace the main board for it, which is 200 pounds or over 200 pounds. So I said no, I won't be spending on this TV 200 pounds. It's my TV. I received that from a customer. It was a donation. So no, I won't be spending over 200 pounds because I won't resell this TV later, you know, how much I can resell it. So the idea is to fix it without replacing the board, yes, or making a Frankenstein out of it. So if I can't fix it, yes, I will just try to figure out where are the T-con signals, and just maybe, you know, maybe just use another main board to hook it up, and we will have a Frankenstein, yes. So that could solve this. And the screen is fine, the backlight is looking okay, so power supply looks okay. I will double check all the voltages. If I will find any updates, then I'll be back. But that's it, guys. You know, that's what I wanted to show you. If somebody has an, you know, like solution to it apart from replacing the main board, or what else I can do apart from, you know, like trying to upgrade or downgrade software or hard reset, you know, like other faults which I could investigate, then please comment down below. Maybe we can resolve this issue and show other people, then we can fix it. But that's it in this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for so many subscribers. We have now over 100, so it's great job, guys. Let's keep on going and see you in the next video. Bye bye.